clean energy and green energy is a buzzword when it comes to international investing. But when it comes to India, these are relatively newer themes and very few individual investors or retail investors are entering into it. Why? Because a lot of institutional are not aware or are not willing to participate into it. Why so? Because when I was also there in 2010-11 with ICICI and we wrote our first white paper on solar, everyone was like, this industry doesn't have a future. Because the cost involved was so huge that everyone thought that everyone who is betting on this thing would burn their hands. And that is what happened, right? A lot of people lost a lot of money betting on this sector. But fast forward 2019, when I visited my longtime friend Mr. Vineet Mittal, he had set up a company called Navitas Solar and was growing at a rate of 40-50% annually. And that completely blew my mind. And I realized that this sector is in a way growing at a pace which will outstrip the GDP demand for a longer term. And a lot of newer companies would emerge which will be a long-term wealth creation stories. That is the time when we in our research division started to allocate a significant time researching a lot of ancillary plays in this industry, not getting caught in the wrong technologies and focusing on themes which are very simple to pick. 2 years of hard work has led us to identify 14 to 15 ancillary plays into India, which have made the balance sheets conducive enough to grow in this sector, but in a way couldn't take off because of the lack of government support or the international support for the sector. Now when we see the theme growing at a faster pace, we believe these companies can grow without usage of a lot of capital or infusion of a lot of capital and hence create great return on their invested capital. Along with phenomenal investors like Mr. Meet and Gurjeev Anand, we are coming with a series of 4 webinars where we will be sharing our research and how to play this sector. At the end of that, we'll also have a session with the stalwarts in the industry, one of the largest user of Borosil Renewables glass. They'll be sharing how they are experiencing the growth in the sector and what are the challenges for the sector. I wish to share this knowledge with you all and looking forward for your participation. Thank you so much.